how to use Chatgpt to rewrite any article or any text you want it to rewrite for you. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a powerful prompt that I just found out that you can use in Chatgpt to rewrite any kind of article you want at all. So let's jump straight into this video. If you like my content so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Like this video and let's get straight into it. So here's the prompt we're going to be using today. Let me copy my prompts and go to Chatgpt to do the example for you. So I copy my prompts, head over to Chatgpt, new chat. Then I'm going to paste in my prompts and click enter. And don't worry, I'm going to be putting this prompt in the description box below so you can copy it and use it. Now it says, sure, I do be happy to help you with that. Please provide the text you want me to fix, and I'll analyze it, make changes, and provide explanations for those changes. Feel free to share the text, and I'll get started on the analysis. So let me get to my text. I have my text somewhere. So let me copy my text. I'm going to copy my text, go back to Chatgpt, and paste in my text. Hit enter. Now you can see Chatgpt is going step by step into detail with bullet points, with headings, headlines, subheadings, bullet points, and so many other things to generate the text I want. Like, it's going to explain where I make mistake in my text I wrote. It's going to give me an explanation of why it made the changes it made, and every other thing that is necessary. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and get the prompt in the description box below. Ask me any question you want and I'll be there to help you.